When homeowners determine they have aluminum wiring in their house, the first reaction usually is, do I have to rewire my home? The short answer is no. Aluminum wiring was often used between 1964 and 1975. It is silver in color and is visible in the main circuit panel, receptacles, and switches. The protective coating on the wires is labeled AL for aluminum. Larger sizes are still in use to this day and perform quite well. The smaller sizes, 10 and 12 gauge wires, were determined to have issues with expansion, contraction, and oxidation, which led to the removal of aluminum wiring from the market in 1975. Another type that was used was copper-clad aluminum wire. These were less reactive, but any loose connections could overheat and in some cases result in fire. While this sounds alarming, there is no need to rewire. All of these issues occurred at the connection points, which were usually corrected in the installation process. Since the mid-70s, aluminum wire connections should have been made with an aluminum-approved receptacle, switch, or pigtail procedure. It is still recommended that a qualified electrician periodically inspect a house with aluminum wiring. For more information regarding aluminum wiring, contact us today.